My name is Vincent Creel. I'm the Public Affairs Manager of the City of Biloxi. We're standing in East Biloxi right now in the midst of what is a $355 million infrastructure project. What we're doing throughout the City of Biloxi, any area that was inundated by the stormwaters of Hurricane Katrina, we are replacing the infrastructure. We're replacing 1 million feet of water lines, sewer lines, and drainage lines under our city streets. Then we're going to come back and pave those streets, put new curbs, new gutters in. So at $355 million, it would take us a generation to do the kind of work that we're doing right now. There is no way the City of Biloxi could afford to do the type of work we're doing were it not for the help of FEMA and MEMA and taxpayers from across our country. The kind of work that you're seeing right now is not pretty work, but it's vital to the continued growth of our community.